Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We will discuss about how we can start selling on Amazon in USA. Now we go to the Google and search how we start selling, how we start selling on Amazon in USA. Now click on this link, how the how to sell on Amazon. How to sell books, online business ideas, sell online, what is e-commerce, and how to start selling on Amazon. Whether you have already got an established e-commerce business, a great idea for a new product, or you just have a position for selling, here is how to take the next step with Amazon. Read the Amazon Selling Partner blog. Before you start, choose a selling plan, consider your selling strategy, perfect launch, create a seller account. Before you start, choose a selling plan. Number 1. With the individual plan, you will pay $0.99 every time you sell an item. The professional plan costs the $39.99 per month, no matter how many items you sell. For both plans, Amazon also collects a referral fee on each sale, which is percentage of the total transaction on the varies by product category. Visit our pricing page for a summary of selling. Compare plans. Selling plans. Our selling plans give you the freedom to pay per sale or stick to flat monthly fee. You can change or cancel your plan individual or professional. Individual 0.99 item and $39.99 per month. These are the selling plan. Add a new product to the Amazon catalog and grow your business with fulfillment by Amazon. Apply the selling additional catalogs, and now we go back and consider your selling strategy. Perfect launch, 5 steps for your first 90 days. These graphs show the first 90 days of your sale. For new Amazon seller, the first 90 days are especially critical for establishment the right practice and accelerative performance beyond launch. And create an Amazon seller account. You can use your customer account to start selling. You can create a new Amazon seller account with your business email. Residents of these countries are established. Before you sign up, make sure you are ready to the following: business email address and Amazon customer account, internationally chargeable credit card, government ID, and transaction information, tax information, phone number, a bank account where Amazon can send you processed from your sales, Amazon Central Seller account. Go mobile, use the Amazon Seller app to track sale, fulfill order and product to sell, responding the customer questions, capture and edit professional quality products photos and create listing all from your phone. Adding your products. Adding your products. What you sell on Amazon? It's depend upon the product, the category and the brand. Some categories are open to all sellers, some requires professional seller accounts, and some require approval to sell. Product categories. Product categories, for example, and conditional allowed. Amazon devices, device accessories, Amazon device accessories, and product listing detail. That's to start selling on Amazon. To product on Amazon, you will create a product listing in Seller Central. A product listing include a product identifier such as GTIN, UPC, ISBN, and EAN. Specify the exact item you are selling. You can get a UPC code directly from GS1 or requesting on exemption. Attracting customers. Once your product advertise your offers, help improve visibility of individual products and boost brand awareness by advertising in search result and on product pages. Running a deal on coupon is another way to promotion your product. After few files, after your first sale, the moment you are selling on Amazon is the moment you can start growing. You have tools in place to help to take things to the next level, and then get customer reviews. Customer product reviews benefit customer and seller. Make up you are familiar with the right and wrong ways to get more product reviews and avoid policy violations. This is the good reviews for good sellers. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.